Here we have some babies for sale. Just trying to show them off in the noise. Get a good look at everybody. Just brought everybody out for the table. There we go. Beautiful flame macaw. Real sweet rose-breasted. Got a military right there. Blue and gold, a Miligold right there. Over here we have a Lorie, a Nanday, a rock cheek, a blue front, a Jardine, a yellow Nape, and a white cap Pionus. Over here we have a blue front Conure, a sun Conure, and a blue Indian Ringneck, and an adorable umbrella Cockatoo. And I think that's most of these right here. We've got quite a few more for sale, but that's all in this video. Thank you very much.